I'm just up the road from the Kalalau lookout here on top of the mountain at the now at the Pu'okila lookout. This is where I was yesterday, where the fog was so thick that we could barely see 30 feet in front of us. So there's hardly a cloud in the sky today, so I think it's going to be absolutely spectacular, as Hauser would say. What a difference a day makes. This is what it looked like yesterday. And now today. Incredible. That is part of the Nepali coastline. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do this hike again on the Pihea Trail up to the Pihea Vista, 1 mile one way. The contrast between today and yesterday should be very interesting. I can't resist. I have to look at that again, even though I've just started the trail. Just breathtaking. I want to do that, I think it's the Kalalau Trail right there, the famous hike on the Nepali coast, 11 miles one way from the end of the road on the north side. But it involves overnight camping. But that's definitely something on my radar screen now. I'm going to do the first 2 miles of that hike one way, probably tomorrow or the next day. But I would like to do the whole thing. Well, I couldn't see it yesterday, but I believe that that little hilltop right there is where I'm headed. Death looming immediately to the left. Ah, yes, there's the launch point right there. An airplane flying into the canyon. That should help give some scope. Now comes the hard part. This is the part of the trail where the guide recommends that you turn back if you're not up to it. But I'm going to keep going right up to there. The Playa Vista. Yesterday this was extremely muddy and therefore kind of tricky. Today the mud has dried out quite a bit, so I think it's going to be an easier slog. Continuing. You know, doing it now, I'm a little surprised that I did this yesterday when that mud was super slippery. It's dried out a whole lot actually, and I did have a few sketchy moments yesterday in terms of slippage. I mean, when you're on the edge like this, you want to have firm footing. Right there is where I'm headed. Here's an ocean view of the southwestern side of the island. And then over here, the northwestern side. Now the trail goes, I can see now, it goes beyond where I'm going up there. If you continue down along that way, I can see that it continues along that ridge line. This is just a bit of a detour off the trail I'm on. I turned right, went about 20 feet, and here's a picture of the highlands here. Mount Waialeale over there, I believe enveloped by the clouds right over there at over 5,000 feet. I'm approaching the top. Here's a little detour to the left. The starting point. I've made it to the top of the Playa Vista. The view is actually better right down here, about 10 feet. spectacular, incredible, awesome, in the true, uncheapened, strict sense of that word, worthy of awe. All such adjectives apply. But I think the most applicable word is divine. Here we get a foretaste of the divine. Ocean view of the southwest coast, and then swinging to the northwest, the Nepali coast. Nepali simply meaning cliffs. What a privilege.